Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, or lads and lasses from up here. Right, today is no rest for the wicked. It is transfer the amber ale. I will then carry on transferring the beer into the Coney kegs. So, no faffing on, Brian. Let's get into it. Catch you later. There you go, filled the keg with water. I don't think you'll be able to see just below the in port, which is the gas. There's enough room, ullage, and there you go, just over 18 litres. Hope it makes sense, and I'll crack on with the transfer. Catch you all later. Well, guys and girls, transfer has started. Notice I've got the PRV, pressure relief valve, open, and I've got CO2 into the Ferns there. Slowly does it, yeah. And I'm hoping about 18.5 litres, 8.5, but it'll take some time. Well, guys and girls, gas in, and about 12 psi servant temperature. Now I'll get the servant temperature about 10 degrees. I'll catch you all later. Right, ladies and gents,
its final taste test notes. It's amber ale, English amber ale, 24 litres. Got 4.3 kilograms of fermentables, 80 grams of hops. IBU is 40. ABC, which is the colour, is 36, slightly up on the recommended. GU is 0.92, up on 0.48 to 0.76. The original gravity was 1.044. Final gravity is 1.011. ABV, alcohol by volume, is 4.2. Corny kegged, 12 psi serving pressure, and 7 to 10 temperature. I chose 8. Alright, looking at the colour, ranges from golden to deep amber, but mostly fairly pale. Clear, although unfiltered, dry hops versions may be a bit hazy. Moderate sized persistent head, stand with off-white colour. Malty start followed by dry slight bitter finish. That is directly related to the roasted malts used.
Sorry.
Malt flavour should be medium low to medium bready, optionally with a light medium biscuit like taste, toasty, toffee like and or caramel aspects. Hop profile is low, hoppy fruit flavours, hoppy bitterness, which is floral, spicy peppery, citrus orange and slightly grassy. Mouthfeel, smooth medium light medium body mouthfeel. Overall good first brew, colour a bit high, lacked hoppiness, bitterness and aroma. So thanks for putting up with my waffle. Please consider thumbs up, share, comment and subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything, but it helps a small channel like me. Catch you all later.